so far, we learned about present tense verbs and past tense verbs, and the last tense that we can learn about is called future tense. The future tense means it will happen later. It is an action that is going to happen. Verbs that have the word will tell you about the future. So we learned about present tense verbs already. It's actions that are happening right now. And if we go back in time, past tense verbs are something that already happened. So things that happen in the past, that's why they're called past tense verbs. And what we're learning about today are future tense verbs. So let's pretend this is today. When we go back, that's yesterday. And we could pretend that this is tomorrow. And that's called future tense. So we know that when we see a future tense verb in a sentence, the verb will have will in front of it. So let's read these examples. I will clean my room later. Giovanni will play outside when the sun goes down. So see how the two examples have the word will before the verb? Next, Mr. Michael will give you some Mr. Michael dollars. We will listen to our kindness videos after lunch. And the last example that we have is Renee will eat dessert after dinner. So we've learned about all three of the verb tenses. As review, present tense means happening. It's happening right now. Past tense, it's already happened or it's happened in the past. And future tense verbs, it shows us that something will happen.